So we have been on Lookout Mountain or Lookout Pass actually. It's Lookout Pass. We are in St. Regis,
You have 6 hours
Montana.
and
We just
minutes
come
of remaining drive time.
You had to turn that on, didn't you?
I was just letting you know we've been here for an hour.
So we've been over here for an hour on Lookout Pass on I-90 eastbound. We just come into Montana, and this is what we are dealing with. We have been in backed up traffic for a good hour, hour and a half, and it is just coming down. And if you're not familiar with Lookout Pass, it's like a 6% grade within how many miles? 6 miles, I think.
Yeah. We're 4,245 feet above sea level.
Okay, that's our elevation right now. And Josh is driving.
Oh,
The snow. It just started snowing again, and
I want to drive that, Kristen.
our blue truck has turned white. Look
Hey.
at that.
Babe, can I drive that? You think they'll let me drive that?
I'm sure, yeah, you can get down the mountain pretty quick. I don't know if I can show y'all, but look how pretty that is. So, up ahead we have us a mail truck, we have FedEx, we had UPS, and currently we have Amazon in our trailer. So, when y'all are complaining that the mail hasn't gotten to your house on time, or you're waiting for a package, just take into consideration that your mail, whether it's FedEx, UPS, whatever, Amazon, USPS, they may be stuck on a mountain in snow. Look at the road right now. It has not been salted.
Or plowed.
Or plowed, for that matter. That's a mail truck right up there. Okay. And that's FedEx.
I see a flashing light.
Alright guys, so it looks like we are going to be here for quite some time, and it doesn't look like we're moving, we're just creeping at this point. So I just wanted to thank you for watching this short little update in our lives, what we're doing. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Smash that like button with like a semi. Like Hunter was said, remember?
Yeah. And we will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye.
On this, I wasn't gonna record it, but I decided that why not? I've already recorded us sitting back there, so we finally made it to the wreck, and be patient, it's coming up. I don't know if he's just sitting there or what he's doing, but there's a car hauler truck right there. And he is doing...
He's working on his truck.
I think he's putting chains on his... Yes, he is. And hopefully we don't have to do that, because I have no interest in putting chains.
We've never done it before.
No. I don't want to do it. I will stop until morning if I have to.
It's coming up.
Before I have to put chains. We don't have chains, we have cables. And Warner policy is that you only put chains or cables on your truck long enough to get to a safe haven. So if you have to put chains or cables on your truck, it's not to drive, it's only to get you to a truck stop or rest area and shut down. And this looks very nasty, guys.
It is nasty. Because I don't think that's a semi. That's the first one. The second one I see is a semi. Looks like the first one's... It's a semi, but it didn't look like it for how I was looking at it. You know, it looked like...
And...
There's a snowplow. See the snowplow?
Yeah, I see the snowplow, Josh. But I think he can be up there. That's not part of the accident.
No, that's not part of the accident.
He actually grinds up the snow, I believe.
And we got a picture of him earlier.
Yeah, grinding.
Grinding when we was coming this way.
Okay, this one doesn't grind the snow. This one just is a snow plow.
That thing's huge.
Look at those tracks, guys. Wow. It was a flatbed. Ooh, it was a log truck.
And a drive-in.
Was it? Oh, so there's more than one.
More than one tractor trailers.
And I am recording this with my phone, so the quality isn't the best. That is why. So he is over the barrier. How did he jump the barrier?
Well, he don't got no front end on this truck, let's just say that.
Well, on a positive note, it's not laying on its side,
But,
and the logs aren't all over the road.
but there's the drive-in too.
And it could have been a lot worse. Ooh, how in the world did that happen? He is like over the barrier.
So is the dry van.
Just be careful, Josh. And this snow is no joke. Look at that. Just take your time, Josh, please.
Oh, I know.
Alright guys, just a reminder that, you know, us being out here on the road, this is part of our job description, and as this is, as sad as that was, it happens all the time. So as always, prayers and your thoughts and everything that goes into, you know, keeping us safe out here is always welcome. And just pray for our safety and our health out here while we haul America around. I mean, that's reality right there. That's a reality check. And he slammed on his brakes for whatever the cause may have been. He slammed or slid. The other truck slid into him. So it can get really nasty out here, and it could have been a lot worse. Always remember that it could have been a lot worse. And I'm just thankful that no cars were involved, no families, children, husband, wife, sister, brothers. You know, your family's out here driving with us, and we try to be as safe as we can. And currently he's literally going 5 miles an hour. So just take into consideration that we are out here and we are doing a job, and we want to get home to our families and our children, you know, just as much as y'all do. So if y'all drive safe, we will too. So with that being said, I know I had filmed a little bit earlier when we were at the top of the mountain. You're beautiful, and anything you set your mind to, you can accomplish. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching.